Roco released their 2026 range of HO scale models the other day, and I thought it would be interesting to check out some of the more colourful models that they're doing this year. With real locomotives increasingly getting wilder all over paint jobs or even wraps, Roco is taking advantage by offering the design in model form. So let's check out some of the cool things they have in store for us in 2026. Of course, the Vectron is going to feature heavily. It's fast becoming the Loco with the most livery options in any scale, and here we see it again as a Class 193 from LTE. This has the slogan 100 trucks and cars, one train, highlighting the more environmentally friendly rail freight transport option compared to road transport. Pretty cool livery with the road blending into the train tracks. Next, it's here as a BR193 of Adesso Rail. This is a complicated all-over livery with a lot going on. Bright and interesting. Love some of the writing on this. Your partner for handshake. That sounds dodgy. This company was only founded in 2025 in Austria, but they probably should have passed this design across the eyes of, somebody that speaks English first language who would have spotted this little slip up, I think. If you want a snigger every time you see this model, this one is for you. Next, it's 7193101 of Alpha Trains, which is shown here as it was when leased to Rhine Cargo. Love this design. Two mini Vectrons coupled together. That would be an interesting modelling challenge to make these two models for real, huh? Sorry to interrupt, I just wanted to give a quick shout out to my now 3 channel members as shown here on Mrs. Motion's whiteboard. Thanks for your continued support. If you'd like to consider becoming a Loco member too, like these awesome people, then check out the join button somewhere at the bottom of your screen. Another innovative livery is this one. This is another BR193, this time in a livery from the CD and used for cross-border traffic. It's showing a workshop scene and 2 Vectrons being worked on. Pretty neat 3D effect too. This livery crops up a lot on various Loco models from various suppliers. Here Roco has another BR193 in the Munich-based company Locomotion livery. It's nothing to do with this channel. This is a so-called zebra livery. The blue stripes are representing Bavaria and the red stripes represent South Tyrol, where this locomotive in real life mostly operates between. This now is Railcare's REM 476, which has been in service since spring 2025. Here in model form it has a distinctive co-op livery, and Roco also have in the range this year 2 wagon packs to match with this logo, making a mouth-watering tasty train. If you fancy a holiday, then this 370 with the Adriatic Express might be for you. The real Loco is owned by Cargo Unit and currently leased to PKP Intercity. This Loco runs a special route between Warsaw and Poland through the Czech Republic, Austria, Slovenia and down to Croatia. You think that's a lot of liveries for a Vectron? Well, there's also these two. These are dull by comparison. They're just normal liveries, one would say, but they're coming from Roco this year as well. But it's not all Vectrons, as we also have a new striking livery on this Westphalian State Railway diesel number 22, here with the distinctive Warsteiner logo and beers. It too has matching container wagons in the range this year. This is a Class 186 from LTE in another of the company's bright liveries. Attractive Forces this time. It's a real striking design that is well liked by enthusiasts. But this one I think tops it. The Trust Rail Logistics BR185 looks like something out of the Tron movies. With its 3D style design, it just looks incredible. I'd certainly like to add this to my collection, but at €224, I'll need to wait till it comes up second hand. This Class 101 is in the very distinctive Bear advertising livery and is the first model in the new Roco's Collector's Edition range. Models in this range are strictly limited edition of only 555 pieces and comes in high quality packaging with an exclusive sleeve and includes a numbered certificate of authenticity. Interestingly though, the price set at €280 RRP compares to something like this older livery option which has an RRP of €344. So €64 more for a non-limited edition model. It's a bit odd. That said, this one is actually being heavily discounted down to around €220, so you pays your money and you takes your choice. Back to 2026 new models, and this is the new RE465 with the Swiss BLS Golden Pass livery. Maybe not as bright as some we've seen today, but it does look like a model of another wrapped Loco. This is more radical though, with an all-over livery on this Nordic Refinance electric locomotive number 4620052. This is a leasing company and this represents a machine from the former SBB Cargo, so it is an RE620 previously. This is a really cool Alpine design, that's for sure. This is more fun than dramatic. It's a BR145 of RBH Logistics number 070. It has this cartoon character heading inside the cab. I'm not actually really sure that's given the right message to kids, but it's certainly a bit of fun. More serious and smart is this railjet livery on the RH1216 from Austria. It follows a similar livery, the Nightjet, which was also offered on a Taurus, and who doesn't love a Taurus, huh? But it wasn't all just locos. There's some interesting livery options coming on rolling stock this year from Roco. I'll cover more about all of Roco's new models for 2026 in upcoming news reports. So don't forget to subscribe. That's it for this one. See ya.